smells so good. I love you, Basil. Oh, they're so pretty. I don't even want to cut them in half. They're gorgeous. Hi there, my name's Christina Monty Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and fast appetizer for a party. It's my burrata cheese with tomato and basil board. It's super easy, and I'm calling it a board, but I'm putting on this pretty white dish, but whatever. You just have to cut up the bread, assemble it all, and you're done. Here we go. My husband is so funny. He loves bread, and then he cuts it with a regular chef's knife. Anyways, he's so cute. I think these knives need a sharpening. Oh my God. Okay, so we're just gonna cut all this, and then the bread is ready. So I've cut up the bread. I'm just gonna put a little bit of bread on each end of the board. It smells so good. I love you, Basil. I'm gonna put some basil on the bottom. And really, you can assemble this any way you want. I feel like I do it a little different every time, but it comes out good. Any of the tomatoes that came off the vine, I'm just going to take a few of them and cut them in half. Oh, they're so pretty. I don't even want to cut them in half. They're gorgeous. I'm gonna put some fresh cracked pepper and salt into some pepper, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna put the basil that I just did the chiffonade. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit in there. Just very little basil, just eyeball it, just like 2 pinches, okay? Now I'm just going to very carefully just put a little bit of the tomatoes around. Then you want to grab the tomatoes that are on the vine and put them on the edges. I want to mess up my bread a little bit to kind of give it some movement. So I'm just going to move the bread around a little bit. I want to see red, white, and green. It's very Italian. Very Italian of me. Last but not least, I've given myself no room for this. I'm going to cut right here a little. I'm going to cut down the middle of the burrata. Gorgeous, okay. And then you just want to give it a nice little bit of pepper. I'm going to get my Celtic sea salt. Just going to sprinkle just a little bit on each piece of burrata. And literally, there you go. That is a 5-minute appetizer that you can bring to any gathering that you're going to, or just set it up for your guests. It looks gorgeous. It took 5 minutes, people. You gotta try it. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm Christina Monty Fisher. I hope you have an amazing holiday season. God bless.